Use different ways of charging in different situations for maximum convenience. Typically, your car will spend hours or even days parked, at home, at work, or anywhere else. Use this time for charging so you are always ready to go. You can use charging locations to plan charging so that your car is ready at the departure time you want. Charging settings can be specifically set up for a particular location. On the road, there is no time to spare. Use the fast DC charging to get going again quickly. Here are some tips to make charging as fast as possible. First of all, make sure the battery is in optimal condition for fast charging. If the charging stops have been planned automatically by the navigation, you don't have to do anything. If you're not using navigation, which plans a charging stop for you, it's useful to activate the preheating manually on the infotainment. For maximum charging speed, start charging at the low state of charge, preferably around 10%. Do not charge to more than 80% at the fast chargers. The charging speed decreases after that. Ideally, charge only what you need to comfortably arrive at your destination. Find the most suitable chargers along the route using built-in navigation, PowerPass map, or the MyŠkoda mobile app. You can plan the trip with charging stops in advance and send it to your car navigation. With Plug and Charge, charging is even more convenient. Just plug the cable in and it will start automatically. Plug and Charge compatible stations can be found in PowerPass map in your infotainment or in the MyŠkoda mobile app. With Škoda PowerPass, charging on any journey is easy and convenient.